12 years have passed since the Great East Japan earthquake of 2011. Let's take a look at what's happened over the past 12 years and the steps we have taken towards environmental restoration.
The Great East Japan earthquake struck at 2:46 p.m. on March 11, 2011. The magnitude was 9.0. The ground was shaken by a powerful earthquake with a maximum seismic intensity of 7. And a giant tsunami towering more than 10 meters engulfed cities and towns in the Tohoku region. The earthquake also led to an accident at Tokyo Electric Power Company's Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power station, causing reactor accidents that released a large amount of radioactive materials into the atmosphere. At the same time, many affected people were forced to evacuate, and some areas were designated as restricted due to high radiation levels. In Fukushima, the Ministry of the Environment has been working to restore the environment from contamination by dispersed radioactive materials. We began with decontamination to reduce exposure doses in living spaces. The soil, which was removed for decontamination, is transported to the interim storage facility, where it can be safely and centrally managed. The soil will be stored here for approximately 30 years before it is finally disposed of outside of Fukushima Prefecture. The interim storage facility covers a wide range of areas, straddling Okuma Town and Futaba Town in Fukushima Prefecture, and occupies approximately 16 square kilometers. Both towns have made the very heavy decision to accept the facility. The amount of removed soil and waste transported to the interim storage facility is estimated as approximately 14 million cubic meters. The transportation was almost completed by the end of fiscal year 2021, other than the restricted areas. Final disposal of the removed soil stored in the interim storage facility is supposed to be completed outside Fukushima Prefecture, within 30 years after the start of interim storage. It is important to reduce the amount of removed soil toward completion of the final disposal. Part of the removed soil arising from decontamination activities in Iitate village is used in the demonstration project for recycling of removed soil in Nagadoro district of Iitate village, instead of being transported to the interim storage facility. This project has been implemented with close interaction with local residents to develop farmland by using removed soil as a recycled material arising from decontamination activities. In this demonstration project, soil with low radioactivity concentration arising from decontamination in the village is recycled to be used as material to raise the ground level. Then, the removed soil is covered with uncontaminated soil of 50 centimeters thickness to prevent the recycled soil from scattering and running off into the environment. And cultivation experiments are being conducted to grow vegetables and flowers. The crops harvested in the demonstration had a radioactive cesium concentration of 0.1 to 2.5 becquerels per kilogram, well below the cesium standard for general foods in Japan. We have received this feedback from residents of the Nagadoro district about the project.
盛り土をして50センチの覆土したところとしてないところの差もやっている状況なので安心感がちょっとついてきました。
帰還困難の長泥は、一歩でも前進するにはやろうしかないのかと。他からの呼び込みをして、花でも何でも作りしていればアドバイスでもしてやれればなと思って、この長泥をなくしたくない、ふるさとを大事にしたいというのは私の考えです。
The recycling of the removed soil generated from decontamination work and its final disposal are key for the revitalization of Fukushima Prefecture. Because of its critical importance, our ministry is taking steps to help increase public awareness of our progress across Japan. For example, we are organizing site visit to interim storage facility and recycling demonstration project in Nagadoro. We are also conducting lectures and field tours for university and high school students nationwide. We've even taken steps in our offices. We use the removed soil for plants in several ministries, including my office and the Prime Minister's office. Through these initiatives, Japan is working as one to gain the public's understanding about the safety of the removed soil. Last May, the IAEA held their first meeting to discuss recycling of the removed soil in Japan. A second meeting has been held in Vienna, and a final report of the meetings will be published after the third meeting in 2024. We will continuously work and use every opportunity to foster understanding and to disseminate information on the recycling and final disposal of removed soil.
Many issues still remain to be addressed. However, many evacuation orders have been lifted due in part to the effects of decontamination. More than 12 years have passed since the Great East Japan earthquake and the accident at Tokyo Electric Power Company's Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power station. Without letting the memories of hardships fade away, we will work to build a new Fukushima. We hope that many smiles will continue to grow in the future.
Cherry blossoms have returned to bloom year after year in Fukushima. To ensure they thrive for a generation to come, we will continue to support Fukushima, Japan, and the global environment.